I'm gonna make a video how to change the hard drive on your computer, because recently I purchased a computer that my mistake that I haven't checked that they have enough memory in the computer, since I found one hard drive for 200 gigabytes on my things, and then let's see if I can fit this to this one. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hope I don't mess it up. Well, this computer costs only like a couple $100, so it's not really. I don't have Philips. These I carry for the travel, so it's pretty neat little thing. Okay, don't lose that. Let's see if I can replace them with a hard drive. So it's really cool. I found a 250 gigabytes, so it's a lot of space. Wow, there's too many screws in there. Hopefully, before I unscrew all this, hope they're fit. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what kind of. Wow, I need a big screw. These are like a small screwdriver. That's too many pieces. Bro. 2 more to go. Wow, some are really hard. It's not easy. Anybody else easy? This one. There we go. I need a drill. Okay. Oh, don't lose it. They're like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 screws. Okay. It's not easy when you don't have the right tools to open anything. So hope you can see it. There you go. So, oh my. I don't think I can put any hard drive in this. So I don't think I can do any hard drive. Gosh, it's not like. So I think this is the hard drive in this new computer, but it's not replaceable. It's not replaceable. I think maybe here somewhere inside, maybe, because this is the one I want to replace them. I think this is it. This is the hard drive. Oh god, nothing's really to put any hard drive. Oh crap, stiff. Put it back. Whatever it is. Okay, I'll put this back. That's it. Nothing. Oh well, I'll put it back together, and better luck next time, because I have very little screw in a screwdriver, so I can really use this, or can even twist it. And for now, this is it's not gonna be fit in this laptop, because this laptop is B4 and I got a plus 5B, whatever it is, so it's not gonna be fit. This is too big for this laptop. I mean, it's thicker. The laptop is thinner, so the laptop is 4B and this is plus 5B. I don't know what that means. So it's 250 gigabytes. Too bad. Oh well, it's not no harm trying. So that's it. It'll still work. There it is. Oh well. Better luck next time. Hope you're watching. Bye.